A 26-year-old married woman was found dead in suspicious circumstances at Wangoi in Imphal West District. According to reports obtained by SKTV, the woman, Kaidem Ongbi Chaubi, wife of Kaidem Boinao alias Nareshwar, left her house at around 8 p.m. last night and did not return. Her body was later found face down in the thicket near Lai Pakhangba Laibung in Wangoi around noon today. Forensic team from Wangoi police station rushed to the site and began collecting samples when an agitated mob from the woman's familial side destroyed the house of her husband, alleging the husband for foul play. Police personnel tried to contain the situation and resorted to using tear gas shells to break up the agitated crowd. Later, the body was brought to RIMS morgue for post-mortem examination.
Mamangdane huduk may am thokre pa manempoka magi nupagana phudana wandadana langnadana khoi sondagi mi may am malaona tawdana mi khara chatana tawrure angangje manempoka magi nupaga sina phubane na chaifam nam lerame matamda khoi maji wandharaktana rims ta pukhaleba angangje rims ta pukhabade sida kari kari magi lawba yaba lawraga hingjima lairaga khoije lae adui matung tabada maje chakhra matungda among chukphunare nupajiga nupijiga punna manempoksiga wari watai chanaraba matung Gyan Tanaraba Matunda, Halaga, Lena Gibania Dudagi. Equally, the Narang, Mapam the Lame, Mapam the Lae, Baba, Yum the Lacan, Mapa, Satutan, Mapa, Mapas, Imundale. No, it's a
Nangarang Puni Papani came to Takan, my point of Mangarena. They did you have a tea. No party, they would not say we on Hire, Panang to law, Majim Pamarang Tea, Hungry Hire. Emo Mushangame, I do the might of the might of the Harame Modena. Dig you, Magic Chief, which is a Pung Baroga Minitara Siza, Manepona, Nazarbu Shiriga lady, the Harapani. Chigumu Pusake, I want to talk to Makoy Mungita, Makoy whom she the identity.
What you want to Tamuso? Karika quickly lagi lambda quickly area Kariki Tamarino, a coin like I would sit up, a coin like I used to come to Puma quite nobody. Who done to their boy? I don't have done the Matic feeding a coin to their boy. And some people have come to Gandini.